Hello and welcome to Shapro Tricks, and today's tutorial is about how to transform your Android device to Google Pixel XL device, which cost about $1100. So as you can see, my device is Eureka and it is working perfectly with Google Pixel Launcher and Google Assistant. So here you can see Google Pixel menu, and let's go to settings. In settings you can also see the Android version is 7.0.0 and the model number is Pixel. Also, Google Assistant has been installed. Hey Google Assistant, what is my name? So you can see that it is working fine. Thank you. So here you can see that Google Assistant is working fine. So for enabling this, you have to download 4 files that I have provided in the description. Before that, please give 10 likes for this video. I have targeted 10 likes, so give likes for this video. Download the 4 files that are given in the description. The link is given. Download them, place them in the SD card in a folder. Files are as Google Assistant build prop, Google Assistant velvet.zip, pixel launcher.zip and tweak.prop. Make sure your device is rooted and a custom recovery must be installed. My phone is Eureka, so it supports a 64-bit recovery. So I'm using TeamWin recovery, that is based on 64-bit, and it is 3.0.0 recovery. For this I have to press volume rockers and the power button. Now my phone is booted up in the recovery. Select the install option in the recovery, and in order you have to select the files. Please don't distract this order. Firstly, you have to select the Google Assistant velvet.zip file, then select add more zip, and then select Google Assistant buildprop.zip file, and again select the add more zip, and then select Pixel Launcher flashable zip. Then swipe it to wipe. You don't need to flash tweak.prop because it is not a flashable file, it is just a command file. Now simply reboot your phone. So my device is now being rebooted. As you can see, Google Pixel Launcher has been enabled successfully, and you can also see the Google Pixel menu, the sliding menu. Now we have to set the Google Assistant. For this, open the app settings of Google app. You must have the Google app version 6.8.21.21, and after that your processor, I'm using ARM64. So please update your Google app to the latest version, and then do a clear data of your Google app after flashing the files that we have flashed successfully. And then after clearing the data, we have to go to permissions and enable all the permissions. Now press the home button, and again long press the home button to turn on Google Assistant. If you have followed all the steps correctly, then you will see this screen. Click on get started, and it will ask you to say okay Google, okay Google, okay Google, okay Google. Done button, and here our Google Assistant has now been set up successfully. Now let's test it. Hi Google Assistant. What is my name? Okay, thank you. So here you can see that Google Assistant is also working greatly in my phone, and I have saved a lot of money by installing everything that is in the phone. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.